Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a zero duplicates dashboard in HubSpot. This will allow you to proactively identify duplicates and know how you're making progress in reducing the number of duplicates in your account as close to zero as possible. So I posted this on LinkedIn this week and it kind of blew up. So I'm making this video to show you how you can actually deploy it directly into your account. If I go over to this article, outline all the manual steps that you might have to take. One thing to call out here, we are using the Koalify Deduplication App to power this dashboard. You can install that from the HubSpot Marketplace. So that'll be step one. But I also outline all the steps that you could take to build this dashboard manually, create all these reports. It'll probably take you about 45 minutes. Or you could come down here to option two, which is to deploy a pre-built zero duplicates dashboard using the Supered Sidekick Chrome extension. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do because there are a couple of steps here. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and click this link down here to access the dashboard package powered by Supered. So Supered is a tool that will allow you to install the dashboard directly in your account. You also offer real-time in-app enablement. If you don't have a Supered account already, you can go ahead and create a new one. That's what I'm going to do here. Otherwise, you can log into an existing one. This will be a free account. I have a paid account, so you get access to this dashboard without having to pay for Supered. I'm going to go ahead and finish creating this account right here, and then we'll sign up. So we'll head over to our inbox, confirm our email address, and come back, and then we can log in. We will need to create a new team. This is a step which can be a little bit confusing. So we're going to call this Connected GTM example, and we're just going to say get Supered. Once we're in here, you'll see this zero duplicates dashboard package. You can see all the details of what's included in this package, and you can start the install. The one thing that it will ask you to do, if you close this, if you're installing for the first time, is to install the Sidekick Chrome extension. So go ahead, add that to Chrome. And then once that has been added, you can come back here, click on the zero duplicates package again, and start the install. So that will install the cards that are related to this dashboard. Then if you click install HubSpot resources, you can go ahead and pick the account that you would like to install that in. It will open up the account and you can go ahead and click install package over here on the right hand side. And if we now go to our dashboards, we will now see this zero duplicates dashboard down here at the bottom, which will fill in with all of the information about the duplicates that have been found by the Koalify app in our account. Remember, you need the Koalify app first because all the properties that are being used as filters come from Koalify. But once you've done that, you can install the dashboard with Supered and you'll be away and ready to go. Save yourself 45 minutes and hopefully you are on a better path to identifying the duplicates that exist in your account. Thanks.